So we finished washing our greens. So I'm gonna show you real quick how easy it is to get this greens bubbler cleaned up and ready for the next washing session. First things first, obviously, we've got to get the water out of the tank. Next, we take a hose and we just wash off any debris that might be sitting in the tub so it goes down the drain. So the entire manifold here is made out of stainless steel and it's held down by just 2 wing nuts. So we're going to take these 2 wing nuts off. I want to pry up these 2 washers. We're going to take off the top plate. There are a variety of commercial cleaners that you can use on this system. We like to use a clean paper towel because we can use it one time and we don't have to worry about them harboring bacteria. We wash off the interior plates. We hose it down. Once we've cleaned up the plates, we just go ahead and put them back together. Push on those neoprene washers, bend down your wing nuts, and you're good to go.